Good morning. We are here to discuss about class Amphibia. As the name indicates, amphi means dual, bios means life. So amphibians can live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitats. Most of them have two pair of limbs and body is divisible into head and trunk. Tail or neck may be present or absent in some. Amphibian skin moist without scales, as you can see over here. And important thing is that eyes have eyelids and tympanium represents the ear. Tympanium is, you can say, external ear or a triangular shaped structure represent the ear. Alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common chamber, and that common chamber is known as cloaca, which opens to the exterior. Okay, so respiration is by gills, lungs, and through skin. It depends whether it is in water or outside of the water. Heart is three chambered. There are two auricles and one ventricle. These are cold blooded animals. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. And since they lay eggs, so they are oviparous. And development is direct or indirect. Example, toad, frog, tree frog, salamander, etc. Now, when we talk about reptiles, this is another class. This class name refers to the creeping and crawling mode of locomotion, and they are mostly terrestrial animals, and their body is covered by dry and cornified skin or epidermal scales, you can say, or you can say that they don't have external air openings. That is, tympanum represents air. So limbs when present are two pairs. Heart usually three chambered except crocodiles, which is an exceptional case in this group. Crocodiles crocodiles have four chambered heart. Reptiles are poikilotherms, and I will just explain what is it. Snakes and lizards shed their scale as a skin cast. आपने देखा होगा कि स्नेक जो हैं अपनी स्किन को शेड कर देते हैं, और ये एक यूनिक फीचर है इस मेंबर का. सेक्सेस जो हैं वो सेपरेट हैं, मेल एंड फीमेल आपको अलग दिखेंगे, और फर्टिलाइजेशन इसमें इंटरनल है, जबकि आपने अभी देखा एम्फीबियंस में फर्टिलाइजेशन जो था वो एक्सटर्नल था. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट पोइकिलोथर्म, ये एनिमल वो एनिमल होते हैं whose internal temperature varies considerably. It is the opposite of a homeotherms, an animal which maintains thermal homeostasis. So here this term means that those animals whose internal temperature varies. I'm talking about this term. Oikilotherms. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous. Development is direct. An example, turtle, tortoise, tree lizard, garden lizard, crocodile, alligator, etc. In class Aves, we deal with birds actually. Characteristic feature of birds, presence of feathers, as we all know. Most of them can fly except flightless birds like ostrich. They possess beak and forelimbs are modified into wings, right? And hind limbs generally have scales and are modified for walking, swimming, tree, and this clasping the tree branches. Skin is dry without gland except the oil gland at the base of the tail. This is the unique feature. They have oil gland at the base of the tail. Endoskeleton is fully bony and long bones are hollow. Why they have hollow bones? They have hollow bones because in bones there are air cavities, and such bones where air cavities are present are known as pneumatic bones. Digestive tract of birds have additional chambers. Okay, the crop and gizzard. The heart is completely four chambered. They are warm-blooded, and this term is known as homeothermos. Animals, what are warm-blooded animals? Those animals that can maintain a constant body temperature. So you can say they are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Respiration by lungs mostly, and air sacs connected to lungs supplement respiration. Sexes separate, fertilization internal, and they are oviparous and development is direct. Example, all birds you can say pigeon, crow, parrot, peacock, penguin, vulture. Now class Mammalia, they are found in variety of habitats. Even you will find them in polar ice caps. You will find everywhere in mountains, okay, desert, forest, grassland, dark caves. So some of them have adapted to fly and live in water. आपको mammals दोनों में मिलेंगे. जैसे bat एक mammal है और dolphin mammal है. So most unique mammalian characteristics is the presence of milk producing glands, that is mammary gland, by which the young ones are nourished. Okay, they suckle their young ones on their milk. This is the unique feature. They have two pairs of limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, and flying also, swimming, burrowing. So the skin of uh, mammals is unique because they have hair. External ear or pinnae are present. Different types of teeth are present in jaws. Heart is four-chambered and they are warm-blooded. And we have discussed about this term, homeothermos. Respiration by links, sexes are separate and fertilization is internal. So they give birth to the young ones, that is the unique feature, and such animals are known as Riviperas. Except a few like platypus जो है वो egg देंगे, but they are in this group because they have mammary glands. So example, platypus जो है oviparous है. Otherwise kangaroo, flying fox, camel, cat, dog, elephant, cow, buffalo, tiger, lion, blue whale, horses. So they all are in mammal group. This is the chart showing silent features of different phyla. You can just give a look on these features just to remember. Otherwise, in my last video, I will give you that question answers we will discuss, and I'll give you how to just compare these groups. So thank you very much.